Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Aquoxis Cordless Pressure Washer review. So, you might be wondering, what is this pressure washer that you may be hearing or seeing online? So, Aquoxis is marketed as a portable, high-pressure cleaning tool that's designed to make outdoor cleaning easier without the size and complexity of traditional electric pressure washer. Now, according to the official website here, it connects directly to a standard garden hose and uses specially designed nozzle to create a more concentrated stream of water for cleaning driveways, patios, vehicles, outdoor furniture, walls, and other outdoor surfaces. Now, the company states that it's built from durable stainless steel and is compatible with most standard garden hoses and installs without the need for tools. Now, one important thing to point out here, in this case, what they are referring to as cordless pressure washer here, actually sold on the official website here, is not battery powered pressure washer. Now, it doesn't contain a motor or pump here. Instead, it's a hose attachment that works by focusing the water already coming from your garden hose into a narrower spray pattern. Now, as you can see right now. Now, in this case, it doesn't contain any motor or pump here, so just keep that in mind. Now, the manufacturer refers to this as hydropower technology, but the device still relies entirely on your home's existing water pressure. So, you may want to consider that. Now, using Aquoxis is straightforward. So first, attach the cleaner securely to a standard garden hose. Once connected, installs the desired spray nozzle and make sure it's locked into place. Now, turn on the water supply and begin cleaning by aiming the spray at the surface you want to wash. Now, depending on the task here, you can switch between different spray patterns to handle larger areas or concentrate the water stream on tougher dirt. Now, when you're finished, simply turn off the water, disconnect the attachment, and store it for future use. Now, the company says the attachment is suitable for cleaning patios, sidewalks, driveways, vehicle decks, outdoor furnitures, and similar household surfaces. Now, the official website currently promotes the product with a 50% discount and free shipping, although the exact selling price here may vary depending on the promotion available when you visit the store. It also hides features such as stainless steel construction, universal hose compatibility, quick installation, and long-term durability. Now, in this case, if you do have any questions about how it works and what are the benefits of using it, well, you could go to the official website here and basically contact their support team just in case. Now, with any kind of products that you're buying online, it is highly recommended that you do your own research. Like, for example, visiting different review sites or people who actually bought it. You could ask them or ask people who already bought this product here on those different platforms just to make sure that you are getting your money's worth, or if the product is actually right for you. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.